Before it get easy, it go get harder. Yeah.
Welcome to the Portmore Talent Show. I am your host, Amelia. Today we're here with an awesome artist by the name of 1ingram. We're going for a quick break, and when we get back, you get more from the man himself. Stay tuned.
Yo, before it get easy, it go get harder. I me say sometime it grieve me, if you know me never have no father. Before it get easy, it go get harder. Yeah, I know you not the ghetto out there, never have no mother nor dad. I know my father, but him never there around. I just my mother me see every day alone. What time she gonna hurt me, I have to stay alone. And my father never come up on the cell phone. Get a youth know me, I make a plan. For you always be there for your holy man. We swear for you to be a better man. Forgive him the father when me never have easy. It a go get harder.
1ingram, once more, welcome to the Portmore Talent Show. How are you?
Yeah, not too bad, you know. Thanks for having me, is it me?
You're welcome.
Alright.
All right, so like I always said, the Portmore Talent Show is not only hosting your talent here, but we're introducing it to the entire world. Cool?
Yeah.
Awesome. Before we proceed, what is your government name?
Well, Odi and Ingram, you know.
Odin Ingram.
Yeah.
Thank you. All right. So where were you born and in what area did you grow up?
Well, you know, so me born in a Spanish town, and then when me about 4, me move from Garden Pen, and then me go in our, we live in our, me grew up in our small community in a St. Catherine, then called Kojo's Hill.
Kojosville?
Kojo's Hill,
Kojos Ill.
yeah,
Okay.
as in Nanny brother Kojo,
Yeah.
Theme Hill.
Cool.
You see me? So, me literally grew up there, so I'm still living there right now.
Okay. So is that where you went to primary as well as high school?
Yeah, that's where I went to primary and high school.
Awesome. All right. Where have you performed and how were you received?
Well, to tell the honest truth, alright, me, first off, me used to do like some local karaoke and them thing. Me like,
Yeah.
yeah, me like karaoke, you see me?
Mm-hmm.
Me like to really show off the power of my voice and me like to test myself.
Yeah.
So, and then me, cause when me just start do this, you know, me a local church boy, you know, nice boy, you know.
That's good.
Yeah, nice
Nothing's wrong
boy.
with that.
You know, me there at church, I sing, you know, people are getting a spirit and then thing, you know, you see me, I like some high notes.
Yeah.
And then, after a while, you know, about grade 9, I licked with some different set of man where, you know, me just park a singing thing.
Oh.
You see me, I start pretty different thing. And then, after high school, me get to find out, so me can write lyrics for myself. Yeah, I mean, got you one local relationship thing, you hurt my feelings. I mean, I couldn't even talk about it, so that's the way I end up express myself.
Oh, you're right about it. That's good for you actually express yourself.
Yeah.
That's good. So would you say that is the event that happened that showed you that, I can write my own music?
Yeah,
Hmm.
true.
Sad, but it leads to something good.
Yeah. Alright. You see, even from a younger age, me normally, Michael Jackson the one of my favorite. There was no Michael Jackson note me couldn't hit. When I time me there me yard, then I tell her, me musically driven. So whatever me doing, music, me singing over me yard and me I sing.
Yeah.
And one of my friend called me from, him live about 2 yards from me and him show me and him say, yo, and me answer and him say, yo, which woman that over here yard I sing? You see, from that, me literally program myself to start use a rough voice. You see me? So that mash up the whole little Michael Jackson voice and me have that again.
But nothing is wrong. Nothing is wrong. Because remember, Michael Jackson's talent a little bit.
In a little
He
bit.
talk about worldwide talent. You understand?
In a
So when
little
you say
bit, you know.
Michael Jackson, you're talking about inspiration, right? You're talking about
Yeah.
worldwide talent. So do you also sing as well as dance like Michael Jackson?
Well, me and a dancer, but me know one or two move. Nah, say yeah. But you know, there was a time where when me I sing everything, you see me, me watching videos, you see me watching music videos. So when me fear sing over theme song, then me actually I redo in music video them.
Oh, I see.
You understand?
Yeah.
So I just that me going to school, me do a little bit of drama, Well, I do look a bit of everything.
Did you also perform at school?
Well, you know, say, I'm a shy boy. So, you need to get that out of me.
Okay.
You see me?
Yeah.
So, but when me do home, it's a different side of me.
Cool. So what was it like when you performed first publicly?
Well, my own song,
Yeah.
well, you see, alright. First time I perform publicly, one of my own song. Me, up on my block, day in a lane, and me over me are just a easy. And then me have one little friend who always a come around me.
Mm-hmm.
Cause when him a write a song and him have a problem, me can't fix that.
Okay.
You see me? Me can't freestyle. As in pan the spot, me can't just freestyle. So when him come with all a verse, I want a second verse, me have it for give him when him reach.
And that's amazing because not everybody can actually write freestyle and perform.
Now me have a verse to give him. So me not really have a song right now, mother say. Me not have no song on the platform. Me just do freestyle.
Oh,
Me do 1 minute freestyle, one verse, and I just sit that.
yeah.
Since I lately me start do it back still, because me did stop for a while because don't know. I go to school and I never really to really make nothing out of it still, you know, I tell you the honest truth. I ain't to really make nothing out of it, and you know, me the kind of frown for me, I mean kind of feel that way. You see me? Because I tell you, say, remember 1 year I go to school, I miss a day.
Yeah.
Not a day.
She have all reason to frown.
Not a day. And then when I left school, I come sit down for a moment, you know, say that nice.
True.
You see me? And then I just know, see you. Alright, love music and everything, you know. But food I eat.
True. Currently, are you signed with a recording label or a booking agent?
No?
So you say that you're an independent artist. So at the end of the day, when it comes down to contract of booking agents or support, you just want your talent to be out there so that you can get that.
Me actually do this because it relax me.
Oh, so it's also an hobby.
Yeah, it relax me. You see, me have a son right now.
Yeah.
Me can't put him to sleep and the place silent.
Oh, you sing to him,
Right, true.
right? And that's nice. That's really nice.
Yeah.
Kudos to you being an awesome father. And you may actually get that from about being around your mom.
Me have a song where me I say where me I tell say me never really had a father.
Yeah.
So
What's
me
the name of that one?
well it was just a little freestyle. Me did work one night and me just do a little freestyle.
Yeah.
Cause I work me do most of my freestyling because me work at night
Oh,
and the place quiet.
I see. But have you put a name to it? Like, let's say you'd like to promote it, even if you're not promoting it now, but probably in the future.
Well the punchline before you get easy it go always get harder.
Before it gets
So
easy.
would I just work with that before you get easy.
Before it gets easy. No problem. So in terms of persons out there, right? Let's say young and upcoming artists, anything you have to say to them, like encourage them to continue pressing on?
Well, tell you the honest truth, I just you have to know what you want, you know. You see, from you know what you want, you are going to find out how you can achieve that.
Mm-hmm.
Because, say, for instance, you want money, you are going to pre-job.
True.
You see me? So you are going to write application letters and resume and them thing they drop off of people places, you me just forget get job.
True.
You see me? So I just you have to know what you want and go for it.
Put in work.
Yeah. Because I tell you, say, it's been a while since mother really say, me write my own lyrics, you see me, or even take up a music thing serious because me need money. You see me? And then me get a youth so that even make it worse, you know. You see me? Me dedicate myself. Me no longer an a boss. Yeah, you see me? Me not an a boss. I him for me boss now. I him me I work for.
Like that.
You see me?
Well, they say just from the heartbreak or the bad relationship that you went through, and you actually said that from that experience you were able to write a music.
Mm-hmm.
The fact that you are a father now and you're basically living and supporting your child, you can also write music based on the day-to-day struggle that you go through or the happiness that comes with being a father.
Yeah.
So I can look forward to getting more pieces, good music from you because you come from you write from your heart, right? And that is one of the best thing you can ever do.
Yeah, for real. That makes sense. If you do a thing and you not do it the right way, it don't make no sense at all.
True. Put your all in. All or nothing.
Yeah, for real.
Cool. So we have come to the end of the interview segment with 1ingram. We're going for a quick break, and when we get back, the man will be performing. Before it gets easy, it gets harder. Stay tuned.
I mean, I say big up Small Jamaica TV channel. I miss it sometimes to grieve me. You know me never have no father. Before we get easy, it a go get harder. Yeah, I love you, not to get out there. Never have no mother nor dad. Oh, yeah. Before we get easy, it a go get harder. I miss say sometime me grieve me. If you know me never have no father. Before we get easy, it a go get harder. Yeah, I know youth inna the ghetto out there. Never have no mother nor dad. Yeah, well, me know my father, but him never there around. I just my mother me see every day alone. More time she gonna work, me have to stay alone. And my father never come up on the telephone. Me get a youth know me a make a plan. Fi always be there for a holy man. Me swear me have to be a better man. Fi give him the father when me never have easy. It a go get harder. I me say sometime me grieve me. Fi know me never had no father. Before it get easy, it a go get harder. Yeah, I know if you not the ghetto dear, never had no mother nor dad. Watch you know, a friend indeed, I'm a call him my brother. Enough plans how we make out fi gain up the cheddar. Try man a try things nah get no better. My one a friend wants me body pan stretcher. Don't pan me knee father here for me prayer. Guide my steps from all different slayer. Way I call me them run them a call me them brother. Them no want me to live, but I know God not sleep. So him a guide me from evil against me. And I know God not sleep, cause him hear me cry and me every plea. Alright then, I come in like for me name it a market. Well every day the crosses them target. I know me live them attack it. Who no move, who no bad mind heartbeat. I feel me life it sweet like a chocolate. So no care who no try, yeah me not quit. One life me have, and me happy. Give thanks to Jah, say me have it. Nah bad mind no one. Me keep me head so high, and to the most high. I know God not sleep, and Him a guide me from evil against me. And I know God not sleep, cause He hear me cry and my every plea.